Hello and welcome to Runman Records Design. Today we show you beautiful backyard and garden, Firepit and Patio area. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching! In this video we will explore various Firepit ideas, from design options to safety considerations, materials and maintenance tips. Get ready to transform your outdoor space into a captivating haven with his exciting backyard fire pit ideas. When it comes to choosing the perfect fire pit design for your backyard, here are a few factors to consider. First, think about the size of your outdoor space and how you plan to use the fire pit. Next, consider the fuel type. You can opt for a traditional wood-burning fire pit, which brings a classic campfire ambience, or go for a gas fire pit that offers convenience and control. Additionally, think about the materials and style that will complement your outdoor aesthetic. Now, let's talk about some popular fire pit designs. For a rustic and natural look, you can choose a stone fire pit that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. If you prefer a modern touch, a sleek metal fire pit might be your best bet. The options are endless, so let your imagination run wild and find a design that suits your personal style and backyard vibe. Choosing the right materials for your fire pit. When it comes to building a fire pit, choosing the right materials is essential for durability and longevity. Common materials include brick, stone, and metal. Brick and stone fire pits offer a classic look and can withstand high temperatures. On the other hand, metal fire pits are often lighter and more portable, making them a versatile choice. Consider the climate of your area and the level of maintenance you're willing to undertake when deciding on the materials. Enhancing ambience, fire pit lighting and seating options. Outdoor lighting ideas for fire pits. When it comes to creating the perfect ambience for your backyard fire pit, lighting plays a crucial role. After all, who wants to gather around a dimly lit fire pit and risk tripping over a forgotten garden gnome? Not you, my friend. Luckily, there are plenty of creative lighting options to choose from string lights draped across tree branches to strategically placed lanterns. You can easily transform your fire pit area into a magical oasis. Just remember to avoid using anything too flammable. Nothing ruins a cozy evening by the fire cute like accidentally setting your favorite pillow on fire. Trust me, I speak from experience. Comfortable seating solutions for fire pit areas. Now that you've got the lighting covered, it's time to think about seating. Your fire pit gathering deserves seating options as cozy and inviting as your favorite pair of sweatpants. Consider investing in some comfy outdoor lounge chairs or even a stylish patio set. Don't forget to add some plush cushions and throws for 2 cooler evenings. And if you're feeling extra fancy, a few outer puffs or bean bags will surely impress you guests. Remember, comfort is key when it comes to enjoying the mesmerizing flames of your backyard fire pit. Regular cleaning and inspection. Regular cleaning is a must to keep your fire pit looking and functioning its best. Remove any debris and ashes. A quick inspection every now and then will also help identify any issues that may need fixing. Protective measures for fire pit durability. To keep your fire pit standing strong against the elements, consider implementing some protective measures. Invest in a sturdy cover to shield it from rain, snow, and the occasional flying frisbee. And remember, just like humans, fire pits also need to breathe. Thank you all and have a nice day. You watched my channel Run One Records Design.